This is our final results. There is lemon, there is ginger, there is garlic, there is warm water. This is what I use when I feel like getting cold or flu. Hello everyone, it's Mommy Chu over here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I want to show you how to make lemon juice, which is a very good ingredients for colds and flu. These are the things you need to make it. You need lemon, ginger, plus garlic, plus our honey and warm water. Enjoy. Start by cleaning it. Now, after cleaning them, we are going to cut them into small pieces so that it can be easier to blend it. Then from here, I will add my cold water, just a little, to help me for blending. Then from there, we are going to strain our lemon juice. From here, we are going to add our lemon. Because our lemon is small in size, we're gonna use two lemons. gonna add there our honey. You blend it one more time. Then from there, you add there warm water. Get our glass. This is our final results. There is lemon, there is ginger, there is garlic, there is warm water. This is what I use when I feel like getting cold or flu. Let me know in the comment section, what do you use when you feel like getting cold or flu? Thank you for watching.